What's up, everyone? How we doing? So today we're going to be working on the untouched, now touch hatch once again. As you guys know, we've been trying to keep the momentum up on this project because we're trying to get it together quick so we could enjoy it for the last couple months that we have of the good weather here in the Northeast. And it's been great so far. We got the full interior in, well, most of it. It's like almost there. It doesn't smell like rat piss, which is sick. It actually smells good, so that's great. I'm happy that days and hours worth of work actually paid off. It's fully SR up to this point, and now it is time to work on the outside and start making this thing look pretty, because as of right now, it kind of looks like a piece of junk. I mean, what looks good on rusted Steelies? Not 240s, I'll tell you that. So today is the day I've been waiting for a long time, and that is the day we're gonna 5-lug convert this car. As you guys can see, that currently is 4-lug, which means it has 4-lug nuts. All S13s in the United States came 4-lug. It's very unfortunate. You're not gonna find cool wheels in 4-lug. Okay, comments already blazing. Yes, I guess you kind of can, but I'm not gonna do it. So luckily we have 2 parts hatches. They both came 5-lug, so I took all the parts off of there, and we're just gonna shove them on here. Well, like half the parts. Let's check it out. So right here is our used 5-lug hubs that just bolt right onto these knuckles, which is pretty cool. S14 SCs came 5-lug, and luckily it just bolts right out. It's really cool, really lucky. The rear hubs here are a little suspect, but I guess we'll just have to find out the hard way, because I mean, that's what we got. So the part that we've been waiting for is the rotors, actually. They sent me 4-lug rotors, buttholes. So today the 5-lug rotors show up, and those will just slip on and we'll be good to go. And on top of that, we can't be riding around in these junk ass eBay coilovers. So we got the PBMs off of my coupe. Yes, I robbed parts off my coupe, and I do feel guilty about it, but there's a good reason. And this is a big exciting news. I'm actually running BCs on my coupe this next season, because I don't know when that's going to be up again, but I'm actually upgrading to BCs. Since we're putting so much work in the S13 coupe to make it a track monster, BCs were the best option for me, so you'll be seeing that pretty shortly. So, but in the meantime, we got great coils for this hatch, and it works out really well. So, I hope I said enough, because I've been talking a lot, right? I said enough?
Yeah, they got the gist, man.
They got the gist of it. So I don't think you guys are ready to see the glow up, as they say these days, on this car right here. So just take it in. See how, yeah.
Let's see.
Not a good look.
No, the Steelies do not provide.
This is the legacy of this car right here. And I am so happy to finally get it off these goddamn wheels. So we got a lot of work to do, and we still gotta wait for the rotors to show up, but let's get to work.
Bye.
All right, first step, let's just do the fronts first, because the fronts are the easy part, so let's start easy. As you guys can see, the hubs are just one bolt. Nice and easy. They slip off and they slip on, and we're good to go. We can even run the same caliper and pads. All we have to do is actually swap the hub and the rotor itself. We don't have the rotors yet, so we're gonna throw the coil over in and the hub, and then move on to the rear. Fronts are looking good, nice and shiny. 5-lug, kind of, almost, once the rotors come in. And now it's time for the annoying part, and that's the rear. So the rear, we basically have to take almost all the arms off, and then unbolt the hub from the knuckle, and then put it back together. Some people could do it with everything being on, but it's a pain in the ass. So we're just gonna suck it up, unbolt everything, and do it that way. Thing was pretty stuck, but as you guys can see, it just bolts right here, literally right on the knuckle itself. Now we just have to do that, but in reverse. It's a pain in the ass, but it's worth it. So I'm not even gonna put you guys through that. We're just gonna use the magic of YouTube and just make it happen. You ready? All good here, and then we're all good over here. So the front and rear officially 5 lug swapped besides the brakes. Rotors actually just came in at the PO box. We're gonna run and go grab those, but I'm pumped. I mean, just seeing this on here alone just makes me feel so much better about the car. Let's go cop the rotors and get back to work. Let's see.
Yay, parts.
Now let's hope they sent 5 lug this time. They sent 4 lug by accident last time. Right there. I'm actually pretty nervous that they messed up again. Whatever. Moment of truth. My out of breath is fucking pathetic. I'm actually really nervous about this. This ruined my Sunday. Oh God. Oh, thank God. Let's got 5 lugs, baby. Oh, dude. The new rotors and the PPMs and everything, it just looks so icy right now. I'm so excited. Now we just need all fancy arms and everything, but that's in due time. And probably some non-stink calipers, but we'll get there eventually. All right, a pathetic amount of time later, the rear brakes and the front brakes are now fully installed, and now the 5 lug conversion is completely finished. I'm so excited, it looks so good. Like, seeing this all complete now, got the new rotors, pretty little coilovers. Brakes are still really ugly. We'll paint those one day, but for now, it looks like a 240.
Yeah, it looks a lot better, and it's still really crusty, but the shiny new parts definitely make a big difference. Once you put the wheels on, it's even more gangster.
So you guys are probably wondering what wheels I'm gonna be putting on it, and I mean, a lot of you guys could have guessed. I have a full extra set of the R33 wheels right here, and honestly, like, as far as OEM plus goes for a 240, R33 rep wheels are definitely the way to go. Oh, they're gonna look so good on here. So let's get these things mocked up, dropped on the ground, and see how she looks. How's that taste?
So I definitely gotta shout out my boy Eric. Thanks for the pussy energy drinks along with the care package for Jimmy and the boys. Let's try this out.
If you guys saw yesterday's video, you know what's happening.
That's not good.
Rear fitment's perfect. These coils are set up for a JZ, which is a lot heavier than an SR. It's a whole different car. What do you guys think?
Looks good. Looks alright.
Come on, get excited. Fuck you guys. Come on. No, it looks awesome. I got a front. It has drift fitment right now. Like, this is drift fitment. But no, I'm hyped. It no longer looks like an automatic single cam.
Doesn't look like a Jimmy Oaks car though.
Yo, get out of here! Go home, Carter. So Carter might not be excited, but
I am. It's just not visible.
but I'm super excited. So the fitment's obviously trash right now. We gotta fix it up. We gotta roll the fenders. We also have to tuck the harnesses underneath the fenders because 240s, if you don't tuck them, you'll rub through them. Obviously, gotta lower the front, and then we gotta work on figuring out what we want to do for side skirts and everything. But right now, this really changed the whole vibe of the car to me. I'm so excited. Like, this went from feeling like some dirty, stinky single cam automatic car I found in the back of my friend's house to a car that I could see myself, you know, to a car that I feel like is mine, and I'm really excited. I honestly, like, my dream when I was like 19 was just a red SR hatch, and it's making me really happy seeing this. This is really cool. We obviously got a lot of work to do, but today was a big jump in the right direction. I'm really excited. So to really make it feel like mine, we have to add one more thing.
What's that?
A Nardi, man. Get this thing out of here. Technique. And this thing belongs in the trash, baby. We're starting with the short hub. Woo! Yep. I wasn't gonna put a quick release on here, but honestly, when I was in California last time, we had that big car meet with Eliminate, and a subscriber literally gave me one.
Shout out to the best subscribers in the world.
I literally I wanted him to sign the box, and I couldn't find him afterwards. I'm so mad, but you know, if you're watching, I know you're watching right now. And homie, make sure you comment below and let everyone know who you are. Honestly, it's such a, it was so random, but it's like the sickest gift ever, because every time I put a car together, it's like, yo, I wish I had a quick release, right? And then boom.
You always need one.
You always need
someone
one.
just hooks you up with
That's what
one.
I'm saying. I hate myself for not getting your name, and I'm really, really sorry, but this will live on in the hatch. So all I have is wood grain Nardies laying around, and they're all 370s, which mean they're just like way too big for a 240. I like the 330s and 240s, and but I had the same quick release in literally every one of my cars, so I could just pop on and go. So it's not a big deal. So I figured the one from the Black Z would look the best.
That.
We gotta put a horn button in here. But now we're really starting to feel at home. I think it's a good touch.
Looks good.
Let's get a horn button in this thing. So of course I'm a butthurt for horn buttons also, and this one I've been saving for the right car. And this one was actually a gift from the homeboy that I actually bought this car from a while ago, from my buddy Mike. So Mike, shout out to you for this. I'm so pumped on this. I think it's the perfect fit.
Absolutely.
Now it's official. So I slammed the front, so hopefully the fitment is half decent. Are you ready? Move that bus. Oh, it's a lot better.
Let's do the fat boy test.
do the fat boy test. Okay, not bad. No, this is reasonable. I like it. It's not really. What do you think, Carter? Are you excited now? Yeah, come on. No, it looks really good. I'm so happy. Now, what it needs is Type X everything. What do you think?
What am I looking at?
Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
That's hilarious.
Are you kidding me?
No change. Nothing, dude. Nothing.
Did you paint it? What did you do?
Are you
Change something. It's all buffed out, right?
Are you kidding me? I'm so upset right now.
I love how pissed you are about it, Jimmy.
And it's 5 lug.
Thank God. Yeah. But it looks
They look so much
it
fun.
looks awesome, doesn't it?
They do look really good.
Hold on, before you eat your salad.
What are those? Are those 15s? Or are these 16s?
What?
What size are those?
17s.
They're 17.
Really? No, they Ooh, that looks nice, Jimmy. You got a seat in there too. Ooh. That's really cool.
Nice and clean, right?
Really clean. It smells nice. It feels really good. Now when can we drive it somewhere? I'm really impressed, Jimmy.
Yep, that's the. Well, at least she's impressed with the interior.
I really like the outside too.
Thank you.
Looks really good.
All right, even though Steph couldn't even figure out what changed on it, or Carter literally had no emotion towards it,
Hey.
I'm ecstatic about the car. I am so happy. It's now really feeling like my own car, and I'm really pumped. Like, at no point does this now feel like an old stinky automatic single cam gross car. Now it's a beautiful SR20, really nice, not stinky. I don't even know where I was going with that, but I love it.
so
I'm really
good.
happy. I love this car. Like, this is like fulfilling like my old dream right here, my little SR hatch. But I'll shut up. I'll stop talking. I'm really pumped. I hope you guys are pumped for me. Just take one more good look at this thing. I love it. What was that? But obviously we still got. Ooh, oh, I love it. So obviously we still got a lot of work to do. It needs a bunch of things. It needs, a kit, it needs paint, it needs it needs seats, it needs a radio. You guys get it. But I'm excited, having fun doing it. So I hope you guys are pumped on it, because I really am. So with that, we're gonna end it now. I'll quit talking, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. And Steffi,
Have a great day, everyone.